Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to restart Line app. So if you want to restart the Line application, it is actually very simple. At first, what you can do is simply normally close the Line application. After you do that, you can simply open the Line application again and it will be restarted. Or you can also force stop the Line application and start it again. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Line and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of Line. Find this option for force stop and tap on it. Now simply tap on this option OK. Now once you do that, you can see over here you force stop the application. Simply wait for a while and open the Line application. After you do that, the application will be restarted. Likewise, what you can do is simply clear the cache of the Line app. After that too, your application can be restarted. So for that, go back to the app info interface. Now tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on this option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, what you can do is simply open the Line application again. Now the Line application will be restarted. So these are basically the ways to restart the app. So that is how you restart Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.